Hello guys, how are you? I'm back with our good day Tuesday. So, how was our Tuesday? Tuesdays went with good bicep day. We have done some bicep exercises. We have done few bicep exercises, but whatever we had done, it's 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 a level up. Like we done all the sets. We have done two supersets of biceps with that rod. Might be they had filmed it already, and some biceps curls with dumbbells, as we have less dumbbells, so we have done with 5 kg and 8 kg. And we don't have Aditya today in our free gym because he went to the paid gym with one guy name is Harsh. We have more guys, like today our CR has came to gym, Abhinava is came back again, and as always old trainer with consistency, and me, and our new joinee yesterday who has joined, my roommate Yogesh. So we are filming that clip from Yogesh phone only.
New joining, yes, to ours too.
And also we have one new member. He is from paid gym member, but he's he will be the part of our vlogging from tomorrow onwards. So you can see this star boy, Amir log. You can see this rich people and this new guy Harsh. Introduce yourself, Mr. Harsh. Harsh.
I am freeloader. I am nothing. I am just a gym guy.
Gym guy, but paid gym guy, not like us guys. We are not.
He's not. He just didn't get the slot. That is why he's not paying.
No.
Otherwise he would have been with us.
No.
He's
It's
just
not like
waiting
that.
for-
Just because of
He's
my.
just waiting for people to like not take the slot so he can take the slot.
No guys.
He was
We'll
doing
see. We'll
convincing
see after 15. I'll get a slot on.
Enough about him. Introduce yourself properly.
Yeah. Just. Yeah. This Gujarati guys.
No. Only fit body is my motivation. Nothing else.
Have you ever done gym before coming to
Yes,
NIT
I
Trichy?
was doing gym a couple of years ago before starting the preparation.
So how was your first day in the paid gym?
We were just checking out things.
All the equipment you have used, or
we used everything.
like you didn't go from the day like chase day, like
We
day.
will start that from tomorrow.
Yeah. We have, and you know he's also the extremely new trainer. Our star boy, he's extremely new trainer. He know the exercises what we have done, so he will guide him as well. So yeah. So Mr. Starboy, how was your day in the paid gym? First.
Yeah, it was good. We checked every machine, did every exercise, one there. And
But
then
guys-
last we were doing some diet workout. Till that time you called us.
Guys, you can see there is no small sweat of in his
Because of
body
AC.
because of, it's not because of AC. He didn't did anything. I will show you the clip. I'll try to add his clip from the paid gym from tomorrow onwards. We'll try. So just wrap up. What is the quote of the day?
So today's quote is: you don't lose, you cannot enjoy. If you don't lose, you can't enjoy the victory.
So guys, losing is the part of victory. Let it be. And as we have decided for news of the day. So Mr. Abhinava,
Yes.
are you ready with your news?
Yes. So
By the way, just let me confirm, how was your biceps day?
Yes, today's bicep days was very good. It was very intense, but thankfully we have a trainer here.
Yeah.
He guided me through all the exercises. I still can't feel my hands, but no pain without
No gain without
gain
pain.
without pain.
And do you think in the paid gym also we have some trainer? They might get some trainer.
They might get some trainer, but not one as good as you.
Yeah. Thank you, bro. I appreciate. So let's come up with your news. What we have today?
So today's AI news of the day is ChatGPT is preparing to release its Terra, Null and Solar versions of the AI. They will be available soon. They are already available on Amazon Bedrock, but they will be available soon. So and it's going to beat Fable, compete with Fable 5. So let's wait for that.
Let's wait. It will be helpful for us. I don't think for corporate life, but for study purpose, it will be helpful for us. So we'll wrap up. You know the guys. All are there. I don't know where is Divakar went, but he's also came with us. See you. Bye.
योगेश, आप सबसे पहले आए, आपको देख के काफ़ी अच्छा लगा.
थैंक यू.
आपको कैसा लग रहा है दूसरे दिन आके?
बहुत बढ़िया.
Nice.
बॉडी में दर्द हो रहा है.
नाइस. दैट्स द एक्चुअल बॉडी में दर्द होना चाहिए, पता चल रहा है कि कुछ हो रहा है.
थैंक यू. आई वांट टू कंटिन्यू.
गाइस अभी वो फाइनली आ चुके हैं, देख सकते हैं आप.
इतने दिनों बाद दिवाकर आए हैं गाइस, इतने दिनों बाद आए हो.
Injury, I have injury in my leg.
Oh, so sad. Like, is it okay now?
It is better. So I came
Nice,
to
nice.
test myself today. If it will be fine, then I will continue.
We have a new member, Yogesh.
Oh wow! This guy in the house.
Yeah, Yogesh in the house. Lohit in the house. Lohit in the house.
Yes, we are here in the house.
Like everyone is coming today. I don't know what's happening.
You guys were the original inspiration. We took inspiration from you and started coming here.
It's nice to see everyone coming here. Yeah. CR attempting 40 kilos, guys. Can he do it in the first try? Let's find out. Oh fuck. He needs help. Just a bit of help. Yogesh is doing squats. That's nice.